Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to delete your Facebook account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily delete your Facebook account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if the video happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store. Now once you open your app store, search for Facebook and make sure your Facebook application is updated to the latest version. So update your Facebook application over here. Now once you have updated your Facebook, go ahead and open your Facebook and click on your menu over here. Now once you click on menu, you can see the settings option. Click on settings and you can see more in account center. Now click on see more in account center, and once you click on see more in account center, you can see personal details. Click on personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. Now once you click on this option, you can see deactivation or deletion. Click on this option and now select your Facebook profile, and you can see over here. Now click on, you can see two options. You can see deactivate account and delete account. So if you want to permanently delete your account, you can click on the second option, and you can see deleting your account is permanent, and the first option is deactivating your account is temporary. So you need to make sure, you know, the one that you have to be sure of, the one that you want to do. So me, I prefer the second one. Click on continue. Now click on continue once again. Now you can see over here, I spent too much time on Facebook. Select before you delete, we may be able to help you. Now click on this. Now click on continue, and once you click on continue, they will ask you to enter your password, and once you enter your password, your account will be deleted permanently. So with this, you can delete your Facebook account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.